In this video I'm going to show how to kind of deploy simplest React application to xampp. So basically, first of all, you have to create a React application. I perform it by, I think, npm create React app, stuff like that. So right now the application displays the React front page. Just to show it to you, npm run start. Yeah, I have to update the Node version. But anyway, everyone knows it who works with React. This is the starting page of React. So how can I get access to this very page from the xampp? So let's close it, go back to your React project and type npm run build. This function, this line of will create a build folder with some content within the project. So next you have to go to that location. I'm going to show it via Explorer Manager. So in my case, it's the location of this application is right here. So as you can see, there's a build folder. I'm gonna copy the content. Copy. Then you have to go to the xampp installation folder. In my case, C xampp, and then go to the htdocs. And I've decided I'm going to place it in the folder named React Test. It's already here, so I'm going to delete it and just paste the new content. And that's the starting point. Copy build, content of the build to the xampp htdocs, and you can pick any folder you want. So basically, React Test, this is going to be the API I'm going to hit. You will see it on the example, but let's say it will be, you can have a tree structure, so you can have React Test, then have another folder of something, and then another folder, and put the content to that folder, and then via API link you can get access to that content. I'll show you how. But anyway, in my case is htdocs React Test. So then you have to go back to the React application, and this is something that was missed in most of the cases I've seen on YouTube or in some documentation, but luckily I found this hint on the Stack Overflow. So anyway, you have to add extra key to the package.json. It's this one exactly. So as xampp locally hits the local host, so it's HTTP 127.0.0.1, and then you have to provide the file you just created in that htdocs. In my case, it was React Test, and I said that if you want to create another file, another folder, and put that build content to that file, then you would have, like, you know, extra file. So let's say that file would be, I don't know, build of React, then slash, and then it would work. You would have to put the content of the build to the folder with name build of React, for example. But in my case, it's React Test. Then save it. Just to just to show you. So yes, htdocs React Test, content of the build, React Test, content of the build. So this was the crucial line which you have to apply. Then go back to the xampp. So as you can see, it's running, and then I can go to localhost and type what? React Test, because this was the folder I've picked to store the content of build, and as you can see, it works fine. Once again, what was missing? It was that home page. So basically you have to directly show where is the content of the build. Perhaps there are better ways to do this. This is what I found, and actually at this moment it suits my needs. I decided to share this content with you. So hopefully it will help someone.